everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm at my dad's house here chilling. I got some canes. Don't mind this ripped, you know, if you could like tell that it ripped. So that's not good. I know, it's on backwards. So yeah, I'm just chilling here. I got some canes and yeah. I know, I'm at my dad's. At first I was at my grandma Ann's, then I went to my grandma Jane's, and then I'm here now. So I'm at my dad's house right now. I know, I've not been at my grandma's house, or at my actual house in a long time, so yeah. I'm gonna stay here for one more day, so you guys will see when I'm at my actual house. Next time I vlog, I'm gonna be here for one more day. And you guys know I upload every other day, so tomorrow I'm not gonna be vlogging, but that time that I do. So I saw this like really pretty bird, and it was like red, black, and white. It was so pretty, and I'm trying to find a book. People are just staring at me inside the house. They were that like about like a book about these birds, and I don't know. Oh my gosh, everybody's here. My sister, my dad, my girlfriend. Okay, there's this book which is not even like book. Perfect. Look what I just found. So I'm gonna go outside of here. Hi, caller. Okay. Ouch. Now I don't know where to put you guys. Nice grill, Dad. I didn't even get to see his brand new grill. So this is the book that I found. Sorry guys if this pauses on me. I really don't have enough room. I look ridiculous. Hang on. Gotta switch it. Okay. Okay. So this is what I found. There's like a whole bunch of birds. So here's some like pictures, I guess. I look for a picture. What I found, it wasn't like this. It was a different bird than that. But I'm not sure where it could. Oh, I think that was it. Oh crap! What page was that? Hang on, I need to find the bird. Okay, guys, it just turned out to be a robin. It was not a robin, but I don't know. So yeah, I don't know. So I'm outside right now here, and I'm really bored. There's nothing to do. Yeah. We should go out of the fence. Let's do that. I haven't even finished my. Need to unlock this. I got it. Got it. Okay. Should we like lock this part? I want to lock it anyway. Okay, locked it. So we're gonna go out. I don't know where to go. There's like this one piece of hair. It's so annoying because I don't know where it's supposed to be. We're really high. Okay, I'm just gonna. We're gonna go in a really big circle. Guys, there's these like red bugs and they're so disgusting. And I'm pretty sure I've stepped on like over 1 million. Oh, there's a lot of them up here. Okay, I'm not gonna go in there. Ouch. And then they appear, and then there's like red stuff. Guys, we just went to the lakes, just saying, and there's like a lot of water in my ear. So, oh, I farted. Okay, why is this gate open? We're somewhere different. Okay. I'm gonna lock this thing on. Okay. I got it. So we're gonna come back in. I'm just gonna chill some more. So yeah. So yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. I am sitting on this patio couch at my dad's. And yeah. That's what's going on. Dude, really? That's hair. That's the hair. I'm gonna put it. What, Josie? Okay, my sister's out here now. Okay. Okay. So, I hope they can't see me. I have water in my ear. Come on, it's almost out. Hang on, let me get the water out of my ear. When I get the water out of my ear. Woo! I got the water out of my ear. Hang on. Crap, there's another one. Yeah! I got that one out. Okay, so there's like this really good friend of mine. Her name's Brooklyn. If you are watching this, Brooklyn, shout out to Brooklyn. Something wrong. But yeah,